How to use Files app on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Files application on your phone. You're now in the Recents page where you can view all your recent files. Then, go to the bottom panel and tap on Shared. You can view all your shared files over here. After that, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Browse. You can view all your folders over here. Tap to open any folder from here. For example, iCloud Drive. Here, you will find all the files that are backed up in iCloud. And then, in the On My iPhone folder, you can find all the folders saved to your phone. This way, you get more control over your experience with the device. Following these steps, you can easily use Files app on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.